Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. From the platform of EnglishBuffet.5, I warmly welcome you all, hoping that you all are ready to receive another very valuable lesson. Yes, viewers, today I'm going to impart you something new. Hopefully you haven't done it before, and I hope you will learn and practice it later. Yes, viewers, adjective, you already are aware of it, that what it is. And now the question is this, it's order. How to put different adjectives into order. This is today's topic. See the phrase in front of you, red big dog or big red dog. What's better? Yes, definitely. There are sentences that can be having more than one adjectives inside. So it can be confusing at times for the learners to put them into right order in order to keep the sentence in a proper flow and grammatically correct sentence, right? So we should ponder over its arrangement. See the two phrases in front of you: red Italian fast sports car or fast red Italian sports car. Definitely the second one is better. Now today I'm gonna help you regarding the arrangement of order within a sentence. So viewers, जब भी आपको एक से ज़्यादा adjectives एक sentence के अंदर दिखें तो आपने बिल्कुल भी confused नहीं होना. You need to memorize this acronym which is going to help you a lot. What is it? OSASCOMP, right? O stands for opinion, S stands for size, A stands for age, S for shape, C for color, O for origin, M for material, and P for purpose. Now, this is going to help you a lot. Opinion stands for adjectives like these. These are the qualitative adjectives, right? Delicious, lovely, nice, or cool. If your sentence is holding any of these, you will put them into order according to OSASCOMP, right? You won't be on mistake ever, right? After opinion, you have to see for the adjective if it is giving the sense of any size or height, like big, small, tall, huge, or tiny. Then comes age. Age means old, young, new, or antique. Shape belongs to the adjectives like. These are a few examples, viewers: round, square, long, fat. If we talk about color, it can be like green, blue, reddish, purple, or any other. Origin can be like American, British, Indian, Turkish. Material can be the substance that from which the things are made, like gold, wooden, plastic, synthetic. And purpose can be what is it used for, like gardening, shopping, riding, etc. Now for its practical implementation, आप नीचे एक एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे व्यूअर्स के किस तरह से आप इसको लिख सकते हैं. सी द एग्जाम्पल: अ वंडरफुल लार्ज राउंड स्पेनिश मार्बल टेबल. अब यहाँ पे वंडरफुल क्या है? इट बिलोंग्स टू ओपिनियन. What is large? It belongs to size. Round belongs to age. Spanish belongs to origin. Marble belongs to material. And that's it. हम बिल्कुल तरतीब से चले हैं in proper arrangement and order, and we have composed phrase or sentence, whatever it may be. See the last one: my brown leather riding boots. Okay, this is how you can go on. And the last one is the little old man, right? So इस तरह से अगर आप इस एब्रिविएशन को जहन में रखेंगे तो आपके लिए एडजेक्टिव्स को ऑर्डर में लगाना विद इन अ सेंटेंस बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. और एंड इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द स्टूडेंट्स हु अपीयर इन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एग्जामिनेशंस, तो डेफिनेटली एग्जामिनर्स इस तरह की चीज़ें पूछते हैं एग्ज़ाम्स में, that what is the correct or the right order of adjective. So this lesson is going to help those students a lot. Okay, but before moving ahead, let me tell you one more thing. K OSASCOMP, this acronym is starting from O and ending on P, but it doesn't mean कि ये hard and fast है और इससे कोई भी चीज़ आगे पीछे नहीं हो सकती. Definitely there can be a determiner at the beginning. Determiner क्या होता है? You can see the examples like a and the or any of these, जो कि इनके स्टार्ट में आ सकते हैं, like a delicious healthy meal for example. तो इस तरह से डिटर्मिनर इनके स्टार्ट में आ सकता है. Now this slide is going to help you again practicing the order of adjectives. See, a small red suitcase. So definitely ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर दफ़ा हर सेंटेंस में ये सारे के सारे एडजेक्टिव्स मौजूद होंगे. आपने इस एक्रोनीम को याद रखते हुए जो भी अवेलेबल सेंटेंस आपके पास है आपने उसको ओपिनियन, साइज, शेप एट्सेट्रा इनके अकॉर्डिंग आपने तरतीब दे लेनी है. सो यू कैन सी द डिटर्मिनर इज़ एट द बिगिनिंग. इट कैन बी एन एडिशन. The new blue silk t-shirt, an ugly wooden chair, this round new kitchen table, a comfortable new velvet dress, these lovely old ceramic mugs, and so on. Right, viewers? Now, here are a few tests for you in order to check your understanding. आपने इनको पढ़ना है और इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो आपको बेहतर ऑप्शन लगता है एज पर टुडेज एक्रोनिम, तो यू विल बी सॉल्विंग एंड शेयरिंग योर आंसर विद मी. द क्लाउन वॉज वेयरिंग अ डैश hat, big green yellow, big green and yellow, yellow and big green. My uncle wore a dash to the wedding, silk blue tie, tie blue silk tie. These are very easy for you to handle. So viewers, unless you practice, it is not going to work. So जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे आपको कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट स्ट्रेंथन नहीं होगा. So practice is the condition for betterment, right? Thanks for watching. Hope you are going to make practice over today's lesson and you will definitely become better than before. So if you like the video, you can subscribe for more, getting more and more useful lessons from my side. So keep practicing and keep smiling. Till the time, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.